Just saddling up for our maiden voyage with Dad and Justin. Heading over to Fort Yates to see our sister Amy. Sunday, Memorial Day weekend. He's good to go. We'll see you guys later. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, okay. Yeah, you too. Happy Memorial Day.
We're just going to go towards Pinehurst and then take a left before you get to Pinehurst on the west side.
Oh, okay.
And then it'll take us on 6, I think.
Yep. It stays on until you move, till it senses wheel movement.
Hurry up! Hurry up! It's hot. We're starting to sweat. You guys hold the flag. Go, Lulu!
Bye, Toots. Love you. We'll see you later. Have fun. Be safe. Hey, everybody. Here, just setting out on our maiden voyage with my dad, Ron, and my brother, Justin. My dad is riding a 2011 Suzuki DL650 that he just bought from my brother, who upgraded to a 2015 KTM 1290 Super Adventure. I'm bringing up the rear here in a 2012 Suzuki DL650 Adventure model, and I'm going to try to do some video documentary of this trip. We're headed from my parents' place in Natiwash, Minnesota, and we're headed west-southwest over to the Fort Yates, North Dakota area where my sister Amy recently moved to and took a job. So anyway, it's Sunday on Memorial Day weekend, and weather is perfect for riding here in Minnesota. We expect to hit some rain either along the way or when we get there, which we are pretty well prepared for. Our plans once we get there this afternoon / evening, arriving probably around 5:30 or so, is to meet up with my sister and shoot some prairie dogs with an AR-15 and possibly do some catfishing on the Missouri. So anyway, I'll try bring you back and show you parts of the trip, and hopefully enjoy the video.
Yeah, so here we are. Sunday before Memorial 2015. We are setting off to the reservation. We have, I don't know, about a 6-hour ride ahead of us. Dad, who has joined the group recently, he told me that he wanted to buy my 2011 V-Strom, and sure enough, I ended up finding out that he of course, Eric and I had gone out to Colorado Springs, and we got back and the rear tire was bald, so I was going to trade it in that way. And Oh, old Ron said he'll take the easy peasy, and so I ordered him up a Conti TKC 70, and we put that baby on yesterday, and got the bikes all set, ready to rock and roll. And Eric's on his 2012 V-Strom. Got about 5,000 miles on that. You can probably hear it through his microphone. He put the K60s on there, and he said they're a little loud.
Come on.
But me, I'm just rolling. I ordered my KTM 1290 SA back September 30th last year. Showed up the day before we went up to Dad's, so pretty excited about it. I've got a couple hundred miles on maybe, and we're off. We're going to see Amy out on the Standing Rock Reservation, do some prairie dog hunt, possibly shoot some dogs and maybe catch a catfish or two. So that's it. We're excited. Temperature's great, about 70 degrees. Wind is minimal. And
how's everything going? You look good. That red matches the bike perfect.
How's it going, easy peasy? How's it going up there?
Did you test out the highway bars or?
No, the only time there was any turbulence was when Eric passed.
How about your legs and hip? Not bad. Saw you testing out the highway bar a little bit.
I'm going to check pull my plug off.
Oh, you got a special edition Suki. Is that- Ron's got his Skidoo BV version 1 on. He opted to go without the nut cup today, the nice weather. Looks like his jacket is catching enough air.
I noticed that too. There comes easy peasy. Yeah, now I can really tell the difference in your guys' headlights.
Can you? Side by side, pretty obvious.
Yeah.
Your phone goes all twerking.
Did you see how swirly it got?
I didn't. I was WOT, so I was kind of.
Oh yeah, no, it was like this.
Really?
See my bike move now?
Wow.
Maybe not quite that bad, but about like this. So.
Huh.
But I didn't do that when I had, probably half the deal in here.
Yeah.
Could be the wind, could be the pattern, could be the situation. Yeah, that's why I was looking speed rated 80s at, what is it, like 102 miles an hour or something. Probably perfect.
Right. Well, we're shooting video here. We're coming in, we're north of Bismarck, We'll be dropping right in from the north side. It is 3:29 p.m. Arrival time is saying 5:30, not including a couple quick stops that we've got to make for bait and fuel and whatnot. Trip meter. We've got max speed 93, moving average 63, overall average 50, which is pretty common. We've been stopped for 55 minutes, moving for 3 hours 46 minutes, so not too bad. Well, we're finally getting into some hills here in western North Dakota. We are about 15 miles north of Bismarck. The temperature is somewhere around 70, 71. There's a slight east-northeast wind, not too bad. We're looking to make a stop here for fuel and some... Oh.
Emergency braking.
I don't think that's going to work for radar.
All right, go ahead. I'll catch up to you.
Oh, he's making it. He's diving hard.
Analog's got her going. Oh, yeah, look at him. Oh, he's got that. He was on the highway bar. We caught him fucking around there. That's why. His left leg was stuck up there. I don't know if he wants to sit on top. Let's go. He's stuck on top of the hill here. Go to the next one.
I was just turning left there.
Yeah, got that one.
Got it.
There's a car coming up your guys' ass. Right up your tailplate.
Yeah, he definitely needs comms. I didn't even know you were stopping. I think over that hill I lost you.
Yeah, sorry about that. Yeah, I know. I tried hollering when you were videoing. Maybe he just likes stopping on the road.
Yeah, he doesn't like to venture too far.
Oh. Woo! Stretch your ass. Oh, he must be drinking because he slowed way down for the 5-0.
Nice.
Well, we're rolling south here along the Missouri River, just on the west side of it. See the bluffs to our west, or to our right. The river down there in the valley. Caught a little bit of rain there for, probably 10 minutes. Nothing huge though. A few drops. It's saying our arrival time in Fort Yates is right about 6 p.m. Should be perfect. Hopefully, according to the weather there, we shouldn't have to deal with too much rain. Nothing serious anyway. How you rolling back there, Justin?
Good. I'm just right on Analog's exhaust pipe. He's just rolling nice and smooth with that new TKC70. He doesn't do, he doesn't do a lot of movement between tire tracks. I mean, he's usually running on the center strip.
Yeah, I noticed that. He does like the center.
He's jonesing for a nice cold bush light.
Alright, over and out. We'll catch up with you when we hit our arrival. Cannonball River. Taking a little video here. Just coming into the Standing Rock Sioux Reservation. Just crossed the line. That must have been the border. Weather's perfect. 72 degrees. A little bit of wind, but nothing we can't deal with. How you doing back there, Delta?
He did make a motion like he downshifted here. So I think his analog is licking his chops, and he's going to take this Malibu out.
I just passed that Chrysler 300 here, probably a mile ago, and we're in the twisty roads here, so be interesting to see if you guys get by them. But I'll kind of hang tight to them, do 65, and let you know when you got a clear path. Passing zone.
He's not putting any pressure on him yet.
You're good to go. If you want to give him go ahead and pass him right now, you're good to go for about a mile.
He's not even close to the car though. He's backed off quite a ways. I think this rain puts him in rain mode. Oh yeah, he's backing way down.
He shut her down, huh?
Yeah, if it wasn't for the rain, it'd be a different story, but yeah, he's...
Oh, there's the casino then. Or no, it's straight ahead. 7 miles. So Amy said the casino was 57 and then they were 25 from there.
Oh, okay.
So we've got a lot longer. We'll be there at like about 6:30 then. You guys are good to go for a bit here if you want to give her the onion.
Yeah, he's pretty comfortable drafting behind this.
Dry it up now.
Malibu.
Yeah, you got a intersection here after those two cars, so I'm sure. Fort Yates, 20 miles, so the GPS is accurate there. Giving her hell, are you?
He's thinking about it.
I saw some orange lights outside his LEDs.
Yeah, I mean, he's getting closer to the center stripe. Okay, now he's moving up on him a little bit here. He might be taking a gamble. I see his foot's down there by the shift lever, but I don't see any movement on it. Like he's not dropping it down in the fourth gear or anything.
Well, you're good to go after that Dodge pickup again.
Yeah, even if I passed him, he wouldn't pass, you know.
There's a short no passing zone, and then you're still good for another half mile.
Yeah, no, we're just getting into the public.
I'll just take some video here coming in to Joe's place. There goes Justin. Kicked a rock up into my face, thank you. Alright, we're only about a mile away from Joe's place, meeting up with Amy. It's been a long day. It's 6:15. We left about 10:15 or so. So 8 hours on the road. His is the first driveway on the left after this sweeping left turn. I believe this is his property here to our left. Amy just tried to call me and there's zero service out here.
Yeah, the fucking road keeps knocking my phone out of the holder.
Oh yeah, you gotta move to the life-proof.
Amy just called me, so
Yeah,
I told
she
her,
tried to call me too. It's right over here on our left.
Yeah, I told her we're coming around the corner. The first left, right?
Yep, first driveway on the left. Give radar the signal.
I suppose, yeah.
Early warning system.
EWS will start clicking it too.
Yeah, that's it.
Oh, fucking ass really hurts.
You're on video.
And it still hurts.
Boy, your panners move a lot.
My what?
Your panners.
I don't know what you're saying.
Your panners move a lot when you have those rock straps on like that.
Oh.
There's the camper, I'm assuming.
I thought it was like a few more turns.
I
past
thought
this
so
one,
too.
though. Yeah, I think you gotta keep going.
This must be his sister's place then.
I think it's more towards the end of the road.
Here we are. Oh. How's it going? Oh, I missed it. Damn it.
You gotta take a picture.
Well, you're on video. You're live. Hold on, go stand over by it. Here, him hurry up, take a picture of him. It had to happen the first time. How's it going, Eric?
Jimmy Star, I live right
Jimmy, okay, nice to meet you. At least it was in the grass.
No, but I get a little help.
Oh.
Pretty heavy.
What's your number?
Well, you can just slide the picture thing up.
I did. I tried to have it.
Just slide the.
Kickstand?
Oh, you want a kickstand?
Yeah, that'd be heavy. That'd help.
Oh, yeah, the kickstand.
What happened?
Kickstand. It's too high for this.
Oh.
You know what I mean?
You didn't even have it down. You just went right over.
Well, I went fucking kicking it like that.
You got it?
Right down here.
Right down the road.
Yeah, I just stopped up here to get cell service to call you guys, and Jimmy came out and said I work.
As I was talking to you, just
Titleist.
Yeah.
You big into golf? No, I'm wrong.
My dad, Ron.
Yeah.
Well, here we are at Amy's, just getting ready to saddle up. Getting everything strapped in.
Light rain.
We got probably 150 or 200 miles of rain.
Yeah, probably
180 maybe. Battening down the hatches, waterproof and everything. What do you think, Cutter? Was it fun? We didn't get to fish or hunt because of the rain, but definitely going to plan on coming back and trying that out. We're in McLaughlin, South Dakota here. So, thanks for the hospitality, Aim. Sorry we couldn't hang out longer.
Yeah, another
Next time. It was good to see you.
Yep.
Welcome back, everybody. We're in North Dakota now, back in the sunshine, out of the rain clouds to our south. Attitudes are up due to the nicer weather. We had to put up with about 2.5 hours of rain, roughly, this morning. So it wasn't horrible, but we're back on track now with arrival time around 5 p.m. back at the cabin. We just stopped and removed our mid layer since it's warm and sunny out now, and looks like we'll have some nice weather for the ride home. Possibility of some rain when we get closer to Minnesota, but we'll deal with that if we have to. So anyway, happy for now. Sun's out and we're cruising. Well, we are 120 miles from the cabin. Just stopped for a quick break here. Dad's gonna ride the Squatch.
This bike, you don't use the back brake at all. The front brake is linked to the back. Yeah, you might. Some guys turn this into a clutch actually, because the back brake's no good. They're both linked here with the ABS. They unlink it when you go off-road though. When you put it in off-road mode, then you can lock the rear up. But like I'm gonna be doing that.
Right.
Yeah, you're gonna have to figure out how you were gonna get on is the thing.
Lift your right foot over.
I do the horse, but
Go ahead, Justin.
More comfortable. Yeah, this one's not even.
That's gonna
close.
tip over.
I got
Don't.
it.
You gotta pull. It's gonna tip over. You gotta
No.
pull up here.
I'll get it. Just get the stand. You got the kickstand down?
No, he doesn't. Yeah, just pull straight up or whatever.
Okay. Yeah, wait till it comes back on again.
Oh, that's because you're rodding on it. Oh. Did you shut yours off? I'm videoing, Justin. I lost your audio. Well, we made it back from our trip to Fort Yates area, McLaughlin, South Dakota. It was a long day. What do you guys think overall?
the rain down there was big rain. Up here, not bad. I got a pee super bad. By far, hands down, the most comfortable bike is the Easy Peasy. No doubt about it.
So today we did 403 miles, max speed 101, moving average 64, overall average 48, which is pretty low. Stop time 210, moving time 618, total time 829. And we made it here safely. What do you think, Dad? After your first long trip, what would you do different?
I do different. I would have practiced a little. You know,
You bit off more than you could chew?
it was all right. You know,
He's got a couple things on his wish list. First of all, probably boots. He could show you. He's got an issue with the heels on his boots there. You can see they're falling off. He's ready for a bush light, so he's ready to be done recording here, but
a bush light.
yeah. Well, you did good. I'm glad you came, and I think we all had fun. I wish it could have been a little bit nicer weather, but
We shouldn't have tried doing it in 2 days.
yeah, we should have.
Also, we should have just stayed over.
Well,
Yeah.
that's the thing. We're trying to get back to that.
But the damn golf was.
If we could have stayed today and maybe it dried out and then hung out with Amy and
Well, yeah, had the forecast been different, we would have probably foregone golf, but
it looked like it was gonna rain out there all day though.
yeah,
Did though. Yeah, it looked that way.
yeah. All right, boys. Well, that was good. We'll post it up on YouTube.